Hi guys, I'm Nobonita. Welcome to my channel Foodie Spire. Novelty excites us. When it comes to food, we are spoiled for choice. Today, instead of baking the usual, I decided to opt for not so subtle but pleasantly sweet flourless almond cake. Taste is everything, and this cake fits the bill. This recipe is too simple to miss. And guys, FOMO is for real. Without further delay, let's head to the kitchen.
This moist, tender and gluten-free cake is crisp and crunchy on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside, with a subtle nutty flavor that won't make you miss wheat-based flour cakes one bit. For the list of ingredients, please check the description box. Use a brush to cover every nook and cranny, or use a baking spray and generously grease the pan. You can also use an 8-inch loaf pan if you don't have a bundt pan. Coating the pan with sugar before adding the batter produces a crunchy, lacy crust, and it also helps to release the cake with ease. By separating egg whites from the yolks, we can use their individual characteristics to better the cake. Egg yolks provide richness to a base or batter, while the whipped whites improve the lightness and texture of the cake. A large egg without a shell weighs 50 grams. Please do the math before starting to bake. Egg yolks tend to add moisture and bind together all the ingredients, resulting in smooth and rich textures. Egg whites help to dry or crisp up the baked goods. Beat the egg whites on high speed until soft peaks are formed and then add sugar. Continue beating on high speed until the egg whites are stiff but not dry. Over-whipped egg whites will become clumpy and difficult to fold into the batter. You can replace the coconut flour with 1/4 cup of almond flour. 1/4 cup replaces 1 tablespoon due to coconut flour's super absorbability. If you want to make homemade almond flour, then you can pulse 1 cup or 147 grams of blanched whole almonds to powder to get 4.2 ounce or 120 grams of almond flour. You can substitute butter with equal amount of coconut oil. You can even skip adding butter into the batter to make it dairy free. I hope that you all will like the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Scrape the sides and bottom of the pan to get homogenized batter. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and help me to grow. Thank you. For the doneness test, insert a skewer into the center of the cake. It should come out clean. A few small crumbs are okay. You can use any berry blend of your choice, or you can simply dust some powdered sugar on top. If you like the video, please press the like button. And guys, like, share and subscribe. Please press the bell icon to get a notification every time I upload a video. Bye guys, take care.